Do you know this lesser-known facts? You will be surprised to know them. First up, typewriter is the longest word that can be made using the letters only on one row on the keyboard. The shortest war in history lasted between August 27, 1896, for just 38 minutes. The average person will spend 6 months of their life waiting for red lights to turn green. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Bees can recognize human faces. The unicorn is Scotland's national animal. Honey never spoils. Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. There are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the observable universe. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer due to thermal expansion. Group of flamingos is called a flamboyance.